with these types of digital solutions, it definitely changes the culture for the better and pushes people to, I guess, just think about what they're doing a little bit more, think about productivity and efficiency, rather than sticking with something that we've always done. I think when we initially rolled out the system here, the first thing we noticed that our team found, I guess, themselves was any mistakes that we may have made. So we directly transferred our paper run sheets into digital format, and perhaps we noticed that the flow wasn't quite right. And it was great to see that the cleaners actually picked that up themselves and came to say to us, you know what, this flow doesn't work, can we change it? Or I've actually got an extra hour now, can I pick up these tasks instead? So they actually started to work together a little bit more and to provide us more feedback, to be honest, than they probably ever had.
I'd certainly say it's had an impact on changing the culture. The culture within cleaning was very much around, it was task orientated, it was just do the task, and there wasn't really any oversight. Cleaners now know that every single day somebody is getting a report on how many rooms they've cleaned, have they cleaned them successfully, and have they missed any rooms. There's more ownership of cleaning now within the home.